Hello viewers, hope you all doing good and this is Deepa Sundar here. In Learn All About S4 HANA, the last couple of videos we were seeing the module SAP FICO. In that, the last two module is all about financial accounting and their submodules we have seen. So I'm going to give that link in the description. Please go and watch it, so that will give you an idea of what is financial accounting. So we'll start with the cost controlling module from this video. So this cost controlling module assists with the monitoring, control and optimization of a business process. So basically it has features for managing the master data. So what all the informations in the master data pertains to cost centers, the internal orders, cost elements, and this product costing. It's all connected with that information. It will helpful for the to process business process and control the through this information. The main reason for introducing this module is to discuss the planning. So, why we do this means the companies can analyze the variances by comparing the planned data and actual business data. So, we'll start with the first submodule of cost element accounting. This cost element gives us an overview of the company's cost and revenue. So these are calculated using the income statements. What are the incoming statements we have? Through that, we're going to calculate. So the cost element accounting defines the origin of cost and also represent various companies' costs. Actually, this cost element acts as a bridge between the financial accounts and the cost controlling, cost tracking. So every expense posted in financial accounting follows into the cost control through this cost element accounting. So next is the cost center accounting. So this cost center accounting allows users to track purposes within their organizations and manage spending across all internal departments. For example, human resources, marketing, sales. So these kind of internal departments are organized and managed to track the purposes. So in simple, we say this cost center accounting tracks expenses department wise. For example, HR means it has the master data with the HR 1000 field. So finance means they have created the information with FIN 1000 kind. So basically it tracks the expenses department wise. So next is the profit center accounting. So this profit center accounting contain all of the expenses information from the company's business lines. Not only with the business lines, it is also get the tracks from product line or region, like if it is a south region, or how much we got it from the export division. So it tracks the profit earned by each and every unit, like business unit or in the product line region. So the next submodule is the internal orders. This internal order module is intended to manage all expenses associated with smaller internal project or with the non-fixed assets. We can also say that this module used for temporary or short term. So this one is a short term tracking that control. This module is for done for a short term or a temporary for the cost tracking. For example, in a company, if they want to make an event, that is a training event, so how much cost they have spent for this, so that is for a temporarily they do. So same like for marketing campaign, these are all non-fixed assets. We are not going to get a money back for these things, right? For office renovations, so these are all comes under this internal orders cost and expense. So the internal, I mean short term cost tracking is done under this internal orders. So in the next, I mean cost control, the next submodule is the product costing. So this product costing and controlling is a critical module that helps organizations to manage and analyze their manufacturing cost. So the manufacturing cost is analyzed in this product costing. In short, we say it is a COPC. So what are the manufacturing cost means? For material cost, how much they spent, for the labor cost and overhead cost. All this cost controls are done through this module product costing. So the final one is profitability analysis. So the main purpose of this profitability analysis is to track the revenue and the profit margin. So this profitability analysis examines a company's profit or loss. It gives a solid platform for decision making. So mainly the decision making is done through the PL information, right? So and it aids in determining price, market segment, and the consumer's distribution routes. So through this informations, they do the control, cost control in the profitability analysis. So that's all the submodules of the cost controlling module. So basically, the SAP CO implementation is required for each organizations to examine the cost data from internal management processes. So the SAP CO implementation helps the businesses in managing their company information's database, and a properly implemented system will result in business reporting and the decision making. So in the next video, we'll see how the FICO is integrated with other modules like material management, sales distribution, production planning, and in human capital management. So in these modules, how FICO is integrated, we'll see. So if you feel this video has enough information and it is useful for someone, please share to them, and I'll come up with you in the next video soon. Thank you.